In December 2024, astronomers discovered something terrifying. An asteroid headed straight for our solar system with a 3% chance of hitting Earth. But that's not the scary part. The scary part is what scientists are now proposing to do about it. And it involves nuclear weapons in space. This is the story of Asteroid 2024 YR4, and why humanity might need to blow it up to save our satellites. Asteroid 2024 YR4 was discovered on December 27, 2024, by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile. At 60 meters wide and about the height of a 20-story building, it initially had a terrifying 3% chance of hitting Earth in December 2032. To put that in perspective, most asteroids have less than 1% impact probability when discovered. This thing shot to the top of every risk chart worldwide and became the first asteroid to trigger international planetary defense protocols. Fortunately, after months of intense observation, including precise measurements by the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists ruled out any collision with Earth. But then came the twist. While Earth was safe, calculations now show a 4% chance that YR4 could strike the Moon on December 22, 2032. And that presents a whole new problem. If YR4 hits the Moon with the force of 6.5 megatons of TNT, 400 times more powerful than Hiroshima, it would blast 100 million kilograms of lunar debris into space. About 10% of that material would reach Earth's orbit within days. This would create a debris storm 1,000 times worse than normal, potentially damaging thousands of satellites and threatening astronauts. GPS, communications, and weather monitoring all could be disrupted. From Earth, we'd see the most intense meteor shower in centuries. Beautiful but deadly for anything in orbit. So how do you stop a 60-meter asteroid? NASA's DART mission proved we can nudge asteroids off course, but YR4 presents unique challenges. We don't know its exact mass, and time is short. Enter the nuclear option. A new NASA study proposes sending 2 robotic spacecraft, each armed with 100 kiloton nuclear devices, to shatter YR4 into harmless fragments completely. Unlike Hollywood movies, this wouldn't involve drilling crews or heroic sacrifices. The bombs would detonate at a calculated distance above the asteroid's surface, using intense X-rays to vaporize and fragment the rock. The mission would need to launch between 2029 and 2031 to reach YR4 in time. But there's one major problem with this plan. Nuclear weapons in space violate international treaties. The 1967 Outer Space Treaty explicitly bans deploying nuclear weapons beyond Earth. Any nuclear mission would require unprecedented global cooperation. Then there's the money. With NASA facing major budget constraints and YR4 having only a 4% impact chance, convincing governments to spend hundreds of millions on a maybe threat is nearly impossible. As NASA's planetary defense officer Lindley Johnson puts it, "We call this the nuclear option, and it's one we really do not want to use. The good news? We won't know if YR4 will actually hit the Moon until 2028, when it becomes visible again. That gives us time to refine our options and hopefully choose a less explosive solution." Either way, YR4 has proven that humanity is getting serious about planetary defense, and unlike the dinosaurs, we'll see it coming.